Japanese use onomatopoeias as verbs frequently in their daily lives. Watch this video to learn how to use them and you will find yourself closer to Japanese people. Hi, my name is Hide. Today, I got a lesson for you about onomatopoeias which Japanese locals love to use. You must be curious about how Japanese use onomatopoeias as verbs. As a basic sentence structure, Japanese add suru or ru at the end of the onomatopoeic word to turn it into a verb. Okay, let's keep this in mind as we learn. Alright, let's learn. それでは始めましょう。チンする、チンする。Chin sound comes from a microwave. After finishing heating up the food in the microwave, you will hear a sound like this. Yes, this sound is chin. So, chin suru means to heat food in the microwave. Although not many microwaves make the sound nowadays, Japanese locals understand what will you do when you say chin suru. When your food is cold and you want your friends or your parents to heat it up in the microwave, you would use the kind of expression taught in textbooks like この食べ物を温めてくれる?この食べ物を温めてくれる? Which means, please heat up my food in the microwave. In this case, I used 温める, which means to heat up something. Instead of saying that, you can just say using onomatopoeias like この食べ物をチンしてくれる?この食べ物をチンしてくれる? It's very simple and easy to say, isn't it? Pinpon-suru, Pinpon-suru. Pinpon is a sound which doorbell makes. When you press the button, the doorbell makes a sound like this. So, Pinpon-suru is a sentence to use when you ring the doorbell. For example, when you ring the doorbell at your friend's house and there is no response. If you want to follow a Japanese textbook, you will say インターホンを鳴らしても反応はなかった。インターホンを鳴らしても反応はなかった。Which means no one answered after I rang the doorbell. How do you change the sentence when you want to say simpler? Simply change インターホンを鳴らしても to ピンポンしても and the sentence will be ピンポンしても反応はなかった。ピンポンしても反応はなかった。ポチる、ポチる。ポチる is used when you buy something online. Why? Because pochi expresses a sound when you click a mouse. So, when you try to buy something online, you click a mouse, right? That sound is pochi. Okay, let's compare it with the textbook expression. When you have bought the video game in the online store, how would you say it? In a textbook way, you would say このゲームはオンラインストアで買った。このゲームはオンラインストアで買った。Which means I have bought the video game in the online store. But if you want to use ポチる, the sentence would be このゲームはオンラインストアでポチった。このゲームはオンラインストアでポチった。In the terms of character count, 買う and ポチる may not differ much, but latter sounds more humorous. ボコる、ボコる。This is a somewhat aggressive expression used when you're trying to defeat or intimidate the opponent. The definition of Boko-ru comes from boko-boko, which signifies a dented or dinged appearance. So, based on that appearance, when you defeat someone, it's called boko-boko. Let's say you watch the boxing match. Player A's overwhelming strength left the opponent unable to compete, resulting in player A's victory. The match at the moment can be described like A 選手は相手をボコった。A 選手は相手をボコった。Which means player A defeated the opponent. コンコンする。コンコンする。What do you think when you hear コンコン? This word expresses the sound of this. The sound which you can hear when you knock on the door. So, コンコンする means to knock on the door. Okay, this is how to use it. When you want your privacy and you don't want anyone to come into your room certainly, you will say ドアをコンコンしてから入って。ドアをコンコンしてから入って。Which means, please knock on the door before you come in. ポンポンする。ポンポンする。The last word I would like to introduce is ポンポンする。Ponpon-suru is the action in which you gently touch a girl's head a couple times in a row. Japanese girls would want to get it for sure. Fun fact, Japanese men try to do ponpon to girls when the man thinks that the girl is looking cute or adorable. If this action happens, it means that the relationship between them is very close. This is how to use it in a sentence. 私は彼女が可愛かったので頭をポンポンした。私は彼女が可愛かったので頭をポンポンした。Which means I gently touched her head a couple times because she's so cute. Okay, let's review today's lesson. First, what do you call the action of heating something in the microwave? Chin-suru. Chin-suru. Next, what's the word when you defeat someone? Boko-ru. What's the word when you knock on a door? Konkon-suru. What about buying something online? Pochi-ru. What about ringing the doorbell? Pinpon-suru. Finally, what's the word when you gently touch a girl's head? Ponpon-suru. Okay, let's practice these words in the conversation whenever you have the chance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね